whole point of this style is to maintain your hair's integrity and really give it a chance to thrive at its fullest potential. Hey beautiful people of the world, it's your girl AReid, and if you're tuning in today, it's because you want a tutorial on how to retwist your hair using the 2-point rotation. If this is your first time joining, welcome. And if you've been around your girl's page before, welcome back. Thank you all for watching. For those of you who don't know, I started my lock journey about 4 months ago. You're gonna get a video on that. On my naturally fine, low density hair, using 2-strand twists, and I decided to add extensions on the ends. My first root touch-up was with the typical palm roll. And then I'm finally deciding to commit to a retie. This video was not planned. However, I am about 98% done with my retie. And I wanted to just quickly hop on, do a demo for you because I thought, why not? I'm sure this would be helpful to somebody. So I'm just gonna get a little close and then we'll get started. So after doing 2.5 seconds of research, I decided to purchase my Locksanity tool from Amazon. What you'll need to retie your hair is some type of elastic or scrunchie for control, right? To keep things away. And then you'll want to use some double prong clips. This is going to be for complete isolation of the lock. This way you can make sure that your lock is going to maintain a nice clean structure without getting other hairs from the surrounding locks entangled. So let's just jump in. All right, so I don't like to use scrunchies on my hair. I never really did. So what I did was I took a pair of stockings, just cut it up, tied it together, boom. That's what I did. Now, here is the lock that I decided to demo for you. As you can see, there's about an inch of growth at the root area. As you assess this lock, you'll be able to see the history. So this is my hair, and then I started to add the human hair extension, right? And then right here, from here to here, you get to see my first retwist where I use the palm roll method. So this is my second touch up, and I will be retying using the 2-point rotation, which I'm gonna show you right now. So step 1, isolation. So I'm gonna grab my lock. I'm just gonna take everything back. Now, because these surrounding locks have been retightened, they're not really gonna get in the way, which is great, but still I'm gonna use the double prong just for extra security. And boom, it's looking good. Usually what I like to do is kind of just run my finger through just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. And the direction I'm gonna go is front to back, left to right. That's gonna be my 2-point rotation. So you're gonna take your lock tool, and what I like to do is fold the lock and thread it or insert it into the lock tool. Pull it up. I'm gonna start back first. So I'm gonna use my thumb as a guide, and this is going to ensure that my lock inserts where I want it to and is going to stop where I want it to, because I don't want it to travel into the neighboring lock. So boom, insert through, take it up, pull it through. Then again, take your thumb, use it as the base. Now we're gonna go from left to right. So left to right, bring it up, boom, that's it. Make sure everything is pulled through. So I'm gonna go from, I like to say front to crown, down to the ear, front to crown, down to the ear, front to crown, down to the ear. Front to crown, down to the ear. Again, this might be the last one. Front to crown. Preferably, you want your last direction to be the way you want your lock to lay. So I like my locks to lay down to my ear, so my last one is gonna be down to the ear. Boom. And that's it. There we have it. Now, I'm no perfectionist, but this looks just about right to me, y'all. Okay? Something that you want to be mindful of. You want to make sure that you are inserting your tool through the middle or the center of the base. You want to make sure you have equal hair on both sides of that lock tool. This only makes for a stronger lock, to be honest. And really, that's it. So I do have another video that I want to show you all that I'm gonna do, and that's going to be my 4-month update. And I'm going to show you what my hair looks like after. I'll just let it down now, but you'll see like for real what it looks like, because I do have some trouble areas, y'all, and some oopsies and some lessons. Let me just bring this down and go back, okay? But I do have some lessons that I need to share with you all, because your girl definitely messed up. And despite me neglecting my hair at times, I still don't regret my lock journey. I don't regret this process. And you learn things along the way, right? That's all I'm gonna say. It teaches you the importance of routine. It teaches you the importance of routine, because otherwise your hair will be compromised. And you know, the whole point of this style is to maintain your hair's integrity and really give it a chance to thrive at its fullest potential, which I can honestly say that my hair is thriving. You know, my hair is naturally low density, fine hair, and you can just tell how thick it looks already. And you know, you might even want to compare it to my first video, you know. And also for those of you who's concerned about this little guy right here, you know, feel free to check out my 15+ week update. Literally the first 15 seconds, you get a full explanation of what happened to my hair. So you definitely, please just make sure that you stay on top of your locks, because you start to neglect your hair and your locks become compromised rather quickly. So I hope that this video was helpful to you all. It was a really quick impromptu, and definitely look out for my other videos to come. As always, like this video, share this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Deuce, y'all.